Now let's begin painting with the coffee beans, and I'm going to take yellow ochre, some burnt sienna, dark brown and black for this. And first, my base is yellow ochre, added a little bit of burnt sienna, which is the chocolatey brown, the reddish brown. In case it's placed somewhere else in your paint box, it's the reddish brown. And now I'm taking the dark brown, which is brown plus black type of a shade, and the center I'm gonna make it black, the center line I mean, and that I'm gonna do later once the coffee bean dries. You don't want the black to spread all over. And now I'm going to do this inverted coffee bean, as you can see in the reference. First yellow ochre base, and then the same three colors. This is the dark brown, then I mixed up with yellow ochre and made it slightly darker. And now my first bean is dried up, so I'll just quickly show you what I'm going to do. Is I added black